Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And I hope you will stay. You webathandi bomgosi ayishem yabo la Mzansi niyakhuluma bandla. Not DJ Zinhle finding herself in hot water, being called a bad parent who lacks good parenting skills. Yo, Aishem, at this point, being a celebrity is hard indeed. But Romkosi, if you're following, it looks like Cario has decided to enter the modeling world. We've seen her with her grandmother preparing outfits that she would wear when she is doing her modeling. Recently, pictures are circulating on social media of Cario wearing high heel shoes, a short dress and a coat on top, and she is doing some modeling poses, I guess. But then people do not see the innocence in that. Instead, they're saying that DJ Zinhle is advertising her daughter in a bad way, stating that if she wants her child to enter modeling, she could do modeling that children her age are doing, because Cario, she is allegedly 11 years, but so should be doing cute modeling poses and cute modeling pictures or campaigns that go hand in hand with her age, not what she is doing. Hi, the way people are trolling DJ Zinhle online, it is beyond. Let us look at what people had to say. A 10-year-old made to present as an adolescent is not okay. The standard for models her age does not dress in such a manner. She's being groomed by her guardians, bloody, money-hungry flukes, a tweet said. When a child no longer has a father, I know for a fact if Mega was still here, she would be playing Logo, focusing on algebra or something. Mega was a strict father running a strict program, another one stated. People are quick to judge without knowing what happens behind the scenes. Cairo is a child with parents who guide her, and modeling is something many young people do. Let's allow her to enjoy her creativity while being mindful of her age. Another one added. If I'm a millionaire, my child will only worry about grades in school. At DJ Zinhle, you saw nothing wrong with his photograph and clothes. We don't even know if she's marketing the clothes or herself. This is pimping. She's 11. Couldn't they wait 2 years for these types of shoots? She should still be modeling Barbie and Disney themed stuff. When she's 13, she'll be taller and they can start pushing her into high fashion. She's not my child, but we are the community engaging with the content. So, Batari Bomkosi, what are your thoughts with this issue? Do you think DJ Zinhle really lost it this time? She should be allowing Cario just to do the cute things that is around her age while she is still supporting her modeling career. And when Cairo reach the correct matured age, then they can introduce her to the matured, more advanced modeling shoots and clothes. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.